Here we go. Part A, which is going to, I'll put an A there. How about that? A, B, C. So part A. Just 3 chords. The second one you play 2 times. So, you have all the same fingering. G, B flat, E flat, 1, 3, 5. F, B flat, D flat. You play that one again. And then you move these guys down. F, A flat, C. So your first practice is just to be able to play each chord in succession. And might as well do it with the left hand too. Okay? So when you're comfortable with the shape, then your body will just shift automatically. And then with the pattern. So the pattern is top to bottom twice and then almost all the way down. So that's the pattern. So to learn that, just start with the first chord and do that over and over again. Start over. Until you feel comfortable with it, then go to the next chord. Repeat it until you're comfortable, then the final chord, and repeat the pattern there until you're comfortable. Then when you're comfortable on each individual one, then try to do it in order. So you would do one of these, 2 of these, then you start over. Okay. And of course, once you can do that, then try to get the left hand together with it. Okay. Part B. This is the hard part. So, hard just because it's new skill, which is taking hand positions very quickly and moving them around. Mm-hmm. Which is what we're doing with the chords as well, but this is a little more involved. So, you're just going to start in this position. You have C, D flat, and E. Start on your 3rd finger. Lights go out, and I can't be, and then your 2nd finger goes over to B flat. And then you're in a new position. Your B flat, C, and D flat. The tides that I tried to, and then you're going to switch positions again to something like this. So it's 5 on C, 3 on B flat, 2 on A flat, 1 on F. Swim against. Actually, there's no F, it's an E flat, my bad. And then you go back up to the first position, brought me down upon my knees, 2nd finger over. And then 4th finger here. Oh, I beg and plead. That's where your F is. Singing. So, what I want to point out to you more than anything is this concept of hand positions rapidly changing within a melody. So I want you to try to do this at home. The basic hand positions are going to be like this. I want you to play all the notes together. It doesn't sound very good, but this is to train your mind to, instead of worry about one individual note at a time, you're going to worry about a phrase of notes or a group of notes. So you go from here, the next position is here. So C, D flat, E flat, B flat, C, D flat, which is a little awkward, but wah, that's way. So being able to switch smoothly between these two, very calmly, you know. This just sets your brain up to be in the right spot. And then from here, you're going to go to the next one, which is going to be E flat, A flat, B flat, C. This is going to be really awkward at first, but it will make sense. So 1, 2, 3. That would be the second line, the first line of B there. Then the next line is almost the same. First two are the same. And then now your thumb's on F. Okay? So if you practice these positions, then your body will know that when you play the melody, it all lies within those positions. See if you can spot it. I'm changing positions. Changing positions. Back to the first one. Changing positions. Change. And that's an outlier. But you can see that when my hand moves, it knows exactly where the next. It's set up to play whatever notes are in the group, because I know I'm only going to be dealing with these 3 notes here, so I'm not going to be like hanging out over here and then moving there when I go to that note. It's already going to be there. We're trying to set ourselves up ahead of time. Okay. Make sense? Then you get to play neat things like that.